Welcome to my YouTube channel Narula Stenography. My name is Sahil Narula and I am presently working in Haryana Agriculture Department. I have qualified SSC stenographer and Delhi High Court skill test as well. On the basis of my experience, I will provide you dictations that will be helpful in your skill tests. So be ready. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start. After you had shown so clear a recognition of the challenge of our situation, I was a little disappointed, Mr. President, to hear you suggest that we would be well advised to have a smaller fourth plan. After a detailed analysis of all the relevant considerations and a recognition of the limits of the possibilities open to us, one may come to any conclusion about the size of the plan, but to suggest and propagate that a smaller plan is desirable for its own sake and that it may even help in our fight against poverty is not convincing. There is no question in my mind that we have to mobilize our resources to the limit of our capacity and use these human and material resources in a coordinated and efficient manner. If we shirk the responsibility and seek to cover it up by phrases, we shall be merely paying lip service to the cause of the common man. It is not with caution and circumspection that we can win the war against poverty, but by our capacity to take risks and to accept burdens and responsibilities. This does not mean that we should not take the greatest possible care in the husbanding of our resources. I am anxious to seek advice on the methods by which we could achieve a higher rate of growth in our economy and ensure better performance in every sector of our activity with lower investment or input of resources in general. I do not deny that our performance in the recent past has fallen short of our expectations. We could have done better in many directions. However, let us not belittle our achievements. There is much in our record of the last three plans of which we can legitimately be proud. Let us not forget that the current level of industrial production is nearly twice of what it was in 1955, and we produce a large range of commodities which we did not produce before. The output of food grains increased by 70% between 1959 to 61 and 1964 to 1965. Let us not ignore the great progress in education, especially primary education and technical education. New skills have been developed. Science and technology are making their presence felt in distant villages. Much of the frustration which exists in the Indian economy today and which you have voiced flows from the fact that the performance of the third plan has fallen short of our hopes. Let us by all means learn from our mistakes and attempt to correct them to best of our abilities and resources. That's all. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you.